Life cycle of a claim starts with patient registration, insurance verification, service or treatment, medical coding, claim submission, adjudication, EOB, EOP, or ERA, check, EFT or money order. What is patient registration? Patient registration is the very first step when a patient visits a hospital or clinic. It's all about collecting and recording basic information so the healthcare provider can identify, treat, and manage the patient properly. What is insurance verification? Health insurance verification is the process of confirming a patient's insurance coverage, benefits, and eligibility before providing medical services. What is service or treatment? Patient treatment is the process of caring for a person who is ill or injured to help them recover or manage their condition. It's a broad term used in healthcare and can include several steps. In simple terms, patient treatment means everything doctors and healthcare providers do to help a patient get better or stay healthy. Key parts of patient treatment. Diagnosis, identifying the illness or condition through tests, exams, and medical history. Medication, using drugs, like antibiotics or pain relievers, to treat or control symptoms. Therapy, such as physical therapy, counseling, or rehabilitation. Surgery, procedures to fix or remove a medical problem when needed. Follow-up care, regular checkups to monitor recovery and prevent complications. Let's understand medical coding. Medical coding is the process of converting healthcare diagnoses, procedures, and services into standardized codes used for billing, insurance claims, and record keeping. In simple explanation, when a doctor treats a patient, everything, like illness, tests, treatment, is written in words. Medical coders turn that information into code so hospitals and insurance companies can understand and process it easily. Let us understand claim submission. Claim submission is a key step in medical billing where healthcare providers send a patient's treatment details to an insurance company to get paid. In simple explanation, after a patient receives treatment, the hospital or clinic prepares a claim using medical codes and submits it to the insurance company. This process is called claim submission. Let's understand adjudication. Adjudication is the process where an insurance company reviews a submitted healthcare claim and decides whether to approve, deny, or partially pay it. In simple explanation, after a claim is submitted, the insurance company checks all the details, like treatment, codes, and policy coverage, to decide how much money should be paid. This decision process is called adjudication. EOB, EOP or ERA overview. EOB, EOP and ERA are official documents or reports that explain how a healthcare claim was processed, paid, or denied. EOB or explanation of benefits. It is sent to the patient. Its purpose is to explain how the claim was processed. It shows total charges submitted, allowed amount, insurance payment, patient responsibility like copay, deductible, coinsurance. It helps patients understand what they may owe. EOP or explanation of payment. It is sent to the healthcare provider. Its purpose is to explain payment details. It shows paid amount, adjustments like contractual, write-offs, denials or rejections with reasons. It is used by billing teams for manual payment posting and reconciliation. ERA, electronic remittance advice. It is electronic version of EOP. It is sent to providers via clearinghouses. Its purpose is to enable automated payment posting. It helps reduce manual work and errors in billing systems. Check, EFT, or money order. After claim adjudication, the insurance company releases payment to the provider via check, EFT, electronic funds transfer, or occasionally money order, along with remittance details i.e., EOP, ERA, for payment posting. Check payment or paper check is a traditional payment method where insurance sends a physical check to the provider which comes with EOP, paper remittance. EFT or electronic funds transfer is the digital transfer of money directly between bank accounts. In healthcare, it is a method where payment is sent electronically to the provider's bank account, usually paired with ERA, that is, electronic remittance advice, for payment details. Money order is a paper document that represents a guaranteed payment because the money is paid in advance when purchasing it. This method is less common in insurance payments. It is sometimes used by patients for paying dues. If this video added value, please like and subscribe to stay updated on more healthcare insights. Subscribe for more simplified explanations on US healthcare and insurance.